Good evening. Today I want to talk about an acquisition that has shaken the world. This acquisition has taken place in America. This is one of the companies which, as most of us have heard about, if you have spent some time in emails. There's a company called Mailchimp, which was founded in 2001. Basically, this is a marketing platform through which you can send bulk emails. This is basically a subscription service where people in your mailing list can receive bulk mails from you. Mailchimp was started in 2001, and for several years it was only a side on gig to a major marketing company. For several years, it was earning only few $1,000s a month and not growing much. After 8 years of operation, in 2009, it started gaining traction and suddenly started to grow rapidly to a point when it became the major gig and the other companies were shut down. Basically, this acts as a marketing platform for small and medium sized business where your entire sending of emails is automated and done by this company. And you can send bulk emails to people who have already subscribed to your service. So, this basically means that when you want to send an email to a list of people, all you have to do is type an email and send it through this. This was a very effective tool for digital marketing, and this was one of the first companies to do this. They started doing this way back in 2001, even before email had become very popular. This company was started by two men, Ben Chestnut and Mark Armstrong, and a man called Dan Kurzius joined it later. Why am I talking about MailChimp? MailChimp is a company which does more than $700 billion in revenue. This company has no VC, no venture capital. It has never raised a single paisa. In today's world, when somebody starts to form a company, they immediately start talking about valuation, seed round, first round, second round, and various funding options. But the thing about MailChimp is they have resisted the temptation to go and raise money nor list their company. They have continued to grow this brand over the last 20 years. As I mentioned to you before, the first 8 years was very difficult, and it is only from 2009 this company grew in size. Today, it claims to have 12 million customers across the world. A lot of people use the service from India also. There were persistent rumors for several years that this company would be acquired. But this company also has another strange pattern. It does not give ESOPs to its employees. Employees are rewarded by very juicy profit sharing terms. Thus, what has happened is that the entire stock holding of this company is owned by those three people whom I named at the first: Ben Chestnut, Mark Armstrong, and Dan Kusnos. So we were worried, the world was watching when this sale would happen. Around 2017, they decided to expand the services and bought a e-magazine company called Courier and started expanding services into Europe also. The world was waiting with bated breath because several billion emails are sent from these platforms, and the data that this company had was very valuable. At something, its user base was only 85,000 in 2009 when people started to concentrate. By the year 2010, within a year, the base had gone to 450,000. The company was gaining 14,000 customers a day in 2017. The company has remained, as I said, completely owned by the founders and has never raised money from outside capital. The last revenue for this company was in 2019 was $700 million. I'm sure by this year it would have crossed $1 billion. The beauty of this company is, like I said, it has more than 800 employees working on this company, but does not need any capital to grow. Later, they also started a special service called as Mandrel. Mandrel is a personalized email sending company that you have to be a member of Mailchimp to buy to use Mandrel. Mandrel is a service which sends specialized email to customers, such as suppose I change my password, this has to be sent. Then you buy Mandrel credits from Mailchimp and sell it through it. For a long time, it was thought that this company would not be sold. Intuit, one of America's largest software companies, which provides software to small and medium business, especially their tax paying software and their accounting software, has made a very fast recovery from the pandemic and has been in talks to acquire Mailchimp for the last 20 days. Now the deal has been finally concluded and the company has been acquired for $12 billion. There will be a combination of stock and cash. Nearly $5 billion will be paid as cash, of which $500 million is there in the balance sheet of Inut, and $4.5 billion will be borrowed. Another $7 billion of stock would be issued to the Mailchimp own promoters. The Mailchimp promoters will be laughing all the way to the bank. This is the power of a bootstrapped idea, an idea in which nobody requires any money to grow it from scratch, and they continue to keep growing from the cash flow the company generates. The employees are given generous generous stakes but are not given anything else. Inut was interested in Mailchimp because of simply the amount of database that Mailchimp had and the kind of expansion Inut can do outside America. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written two books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.